Welcome to Air Fryer Friday. I'm Michelle, and you're visiting Big Valley Living. Tonight, we're going to be making some taquitos in the air fryer. Oh my gosh, you guys, you're gonna love these. Thanks to Angela, the Inquisitive Farm Wife, for inviting us to be in this collaboration. Angela and a lot of really great content creators have been putting out some really neat ideas for your air fryer. Let's get started by preheating our air fryer to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This will take about 10 minutes in our machine. While the air fryer is preheating, we're going to take 10 6-inch corn tortillas, place them into a microwave-safe bag, and we're going to heat them through for about 30 seconds until they're pliable. That'll make it easier to roll them when we use the filling. While we microwave those, I'm going to show you the other ingredients. This is chicken taco meat inspired by Jenny at Jenny's Scratch Made Kitchen. This is a great recipe to can. We're going to strain them in a fine mesh strainer. And we have a little bit of cheese, just over a cup. Now that the tortillas have heated through, let's shred up that chicken meat. This is so good, I'm telling you. This meat's already spiced, so if you're using plain chicken breast, my suggestion is that you go ahead and put a packet of taco seasoning in. Now we have a lime. Yum! Just picked it from the tree in the backyard. Whoa! Roll it first to make sure you get a good amount of juice, and I'm zesting it as well. I think that putting zest on top of things at the end, and maybe even your salsa, is just such a nice touch. So give it a shot. If you can find a fresh lime at the store, go ahead and do that. But I'm telling you guys, this is going to make it so decadent. Now that we've zested the lime, I'm going to go ahead and cut it in half, and I'm going to get that juice out of there. Oh, look at those. Yum, yum, yum. Nothing like a fresh lime to brighten up your day. These handheld juicers are fabulous. Just put in your citrus upside down. It seems counterintuitive. We're going to take that juice and add it to the chicken meat. After adding our lime juice, let's add the cheese. Don't set it too close to your preheating air fryer. And then we're going to be adding anywhere from 1/4 to 1/2 cup of sour cream, about 2 tablespoons at a time until it's combined. You can also use room temperature cream cheese for this. Now we're going to use about 1/10 of the filling and roll them up nice and tight. Place them seam side down until we have them all filled. Now that we have everything into the air fryer, we set it at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 6 minutes. After the initial 6 minutes, we rotated the top and bottom shelves and set it for another 8 minutes. Then we removed them to a wire rack, and they continued to crisp up while they cooled down for us. I went ahead and just got out a jar of this wonderful Salsa Verde inspired by Linda's Pantry. Look at that. If that doesn't look yummy, it took all of about 20 minutes to make this meal, and it was very simple and extremely delicious. Happy air frying!